Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not new, thank you for coming back for another video. So like I promised in my previous video on the Desert Oasis palette, I would be bringing you guys additional looks, and here is the second look. I did a little cut crease action with this palette, and you know, added a couple different little shimmers or whatever, metallics on the eye and stuff, a little bit of layering for you guys, okay? If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look with the Desert Oasis palette, it is currently on sale for $16.50 at 25% off on the BH Cosmetics website. Last video I said it was $13, but I was checking that, I think I was in the holiday time frame, so I think they had a bigger sale around the holidays, but $16.50 for this palette is still bomb. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, definitely stay tuned. Canyon, all in the crease and in the transition area, laying that down and blending out. Going into Dune, alright, just to add a little bit more warmth in the crease, and this is going into the crease area. Next is Nightscape, of course, and placing that on the outer V. And into the crease. Okay, there we go. I'm taking a small slanted brush. This is, I think it's an eyeliner brush from e.l.f. or something like that, but I'm gonna put that into the Nightscape shade and draw out a little cut crease situation here. I like when you have shades that are very high in their color payoff and they're easily blendable, because then you can back into your cut crease. You don't have to do that whole concealer and trying to make the line straight, all that. You can just get a precise brush and then draw that line in there, and there you're good to go. So let me take something and blend that out. I don't know, but I'm going back into Dune to blend the harsh lines here, and this is a different brush. It's a little bit more pointed. Because while you are going for a cut crease, or while I'm going for a cut crease, I still want the edges to be blended out. So, and if you blend too much away, after you're finished applying your shimmery shades, then you can still, you know, go in and get that definition back. Okay, so I'm going in with Heat Wave, or Heat Haze, interesting, Heat Haze on my finger, and pressing that close to the lash line on the blank spots of the eye. But I'm going to apply more closer to the outer V. Oh, whoops. I'm going to apply more closer to the outer V and then make it go down, you know, if that even makes sense. I'm making it, you know, go from a wider application out at the outer V and making it go to a smaller, more precise application toward the inner corner. You guys get the idea, I think. Okay, and then wiping that finger off, and I'm going into Moonscape. It's a nice yellow gold shade, and I'm pressing that up above that and then covering the rest of that blank space. And so you can see the difference, the copper and then the golden shade, but it's not applied all the way up to the cut crease line like I want it to. So I'm going to get a concealer brush and press that. Okay. And if your copper got too covered up, you want more of it, you can, you know, wipe that concealer brush off get back into your Heat Haze shade, and then press that where you want to see it, you know, intensified. Off. Take my finger into that Heat Haze shade after I wiped the other shade off, and then just go over that line to make sure it's blended. With these shades, I do want to note, because I did not say this in my last video, I am getting some fallout, and I did not do like any powder under my eye, so I just got to deal with it, you know. So now, like I told you guys, I'm gonna reinforce this crease line. So I'm taking a fluffier angled brush into Dune, and I'm gonna go over that line to get some more blend. I like the one I did with you guys on camera more than I like the other one. Alright, for my under eye, or for my lower lash line, I'm taking Dune on that same angled fluffy brush. With the tiny brush we used for our cut crease, I'm taking a little bit of that on that brush and laying this right up against the lower lashes for a liner effect. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going into the highlighter portion of this palette. I definitely want to show you guys these. And I'm going into Hideaway. It's the pinker toned highlighter at the bottom of the palette. Gosh, this is beautiful. And just lay that down and blend out. If you want a more intense, you can go back in. I'm going to back out so I can show you guys. I'm going to apply the highlighters to my cheeks, or the one. So I'm going to go in with the same highlight we just used for our brow bone. I'm going to use that on a highlighter brush and just apply that to the cheekbone. And what I like about these highlighters in this palette is that they're not glittery. Very pretty. Also, toning down that highlight. I don't want it to be super intense, but as you can see, you can get a very intense highlight with that palette. These are the eyes basically finished. I'm going to finish my eyeliner, mascara, and I'll come back to show you guys close-ups and the final look. Alright guys, here is the final look. I'm going to check out the highlight. Alright, so what do you guys think about the look? I wanted to give you guys something a little bit more dramatic. So between this video and the previous video, you see that you can get, you know, very different looks with the palette, even though it seems like there's a lot of golds in there, but there are a lot of different undertones and different ways you can use them, of course. And then you see you can use that the highlights as like brow bone highlights. You can use them as eyeshadows, but I just wanted to coordinate the brow bone highlight with the, you know, cheek highlight, you know. But I still stand with my initial video that said that this palette is the bomb. Okay, so guys, it's a great palette. So let me know what you guys are thinking. I know this is a little bit, you know, involved with the look, you know, and getting this, achieving this look, but you don't have to do all this. I just wanted to, you know, go a little extra mile, you know, and, you know, put a little bit of extra effort into it. So, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions about the palette. Let me know your thoughts on the palette in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you did indeed like it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content from me. And definitely check out the channel because I've been on that upload game, okay? Yes, hunty. Oh my gosh. I got to talk to y'all about that. Thank you, Jesus. All right, anyways, subscribe if you want more content. Like the video if you liked it. And I will be talking to you guys really, really soon. See ya.